everyone, let's try and fast create this presentation until 1 minute and see how it looks like. Okay, at first you need to create a new slide. In the new slide, you need to create a circle. You can create a circle by going to shape and holding Ctrl and Shift. You create your circle. After creating your circle, you just need to align it to the size you want. After aligning, your shapes are ready. Now you need to write your text in this. And after writing your text, you need to shadow them up. You can format the shape, and here you can give them the shadow you like. For example, this shadow, these inner shadows, everything you like. It's up to you. After adding shadows, you need to color them up. For the color, you can use every color you want, but I use this color and then this color and this color. Okay, now copy this slide. After copying this slide, you need to select this, select Ctrl A, go to shape format, and then simply align them center, middle. Now set the transition to morph. Your presentation is ready until 1 minute. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.